Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by Faye. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell and leave me a comment in the comment section down below. For all my subscribers, I thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. And remember, I post every Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you come back and check out my videos. My name is Fewani and this channel is all about beauty and makeup. And if you like makeup, you're gonna wanna stick around for this. I'm self-taught. I do this because I love makeup, I like fashion, and I like anything beauty. I just wanna share my talent with everybody. So before I get further into the video, I just wanna take this time out to just wanna thank all our frontline workers who have been out there working tirelessly to keep us safe and healthy. And for all those who are sick, I wish you guys a speedy recovery. My prayers are with everybody. And for those who have lost their life due to this virus that's going around, my condolences to you and your entire family. I just want to take a moment of silence to acknowledge everybody. So today I am creating this blue half-cut crease eyeshadow look, and if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please stick around and let's get right into the video. So for this look, I am going to start off by using some orange, and I'm going to just sweep that all over my lids. I'm going to be focusing a lot in my brow bone, and I'm going to be buffing that out using a clean buffing brush, and this brush is from e.l.f. So for the second color, I'm going to be going in with this deep kind of blue here, and I'm going to just be stamping it on. I changed that brush because that brush kind of doesn't work with that color. And then I'm going to be sweeping a little bit of the blue, making kind of a V shape, going to my lower lid. Then I am going to be going in and kind of buffing the lines of the blue that kind of meets the orange. This is so simple and quick. So with this flat brush, I'm going to be using the Girl Pro Concealer to cut a half crease. So I'm putting a little bit on the top of my lid first. I don't want too much of a deep crease, so that's why I'm not looking up. I normally look up when I'm looking for a really deep crease. I'm going to be using this type of blue here, this shimmery blue. Isn't this so pretty? It's so pretty, so pretty. The deep blues and the light blues. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my silver liner, and this liner is from Kiss, and it's heavy metal. I feel like blues and silvers always looks really well together. They work really, really well together. And then just darken up the little corner a little bit. I am loving it. I'm proud of myself, guys. Remember, I am self-taught. I did not go anywhere to learn how to do makeup. I just fell in love with makeup and I took it from there. I'm going to go ahead and do my second eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to be using my Punta Cana from Juvias Place, and this foundation is in the shade 435. So put some on my brush. Now I am going to go back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to be setting my face using my Fit Me Loose finishing powder. So I'm contouring my nose using my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany. I already applied some to my forehead, but somehow it did not film. So I'm dusting off my setting powder using my brush from Eco Beauty Australia. I know I always say big old fluffy brush, and I realized I never actually told you guys where the brush is actually from. So there you have it. So now I'm going to be finishing up the eyes, and I'm going to be going in with the same blue shade, and it's called Cleopatra. And I'm going to just be using this under my waterline. I feel like they should be putting the names of the brushes on each brush, like what the brush is for. So now I'm gonna line my waterline with this tiny little black pencil. And just to tie the whole look together, I'm going to take a little bit of the orange and just buff out the blue. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lashes, and I'm gonna be putting on some falsies. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my Juvias Place blush palette, and this is the Saharian blush palette, and I am going to be using this shade right at the top called Neo. Oh my gosh, looks like I went a little heavy on the blush, but not to worry. I'm going to just work that in. I feel like applying blush to the apple of your cheeks is like way back in the day. And for this look, I'll be using my e.l.f. highlighter palette. And I'm applying a little bit of this highlighter in my inner tear duct. And a little bit to my brow bone. So I'm just going to be setting my face using my setting spray, and this setting spray is from Pro Beauty Care. So I'm going to be finishing off this look using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and this lipstick is in the shade Plumera. if I got that right. So, but I'm going to be lining my lip with my Nana Coco lip liner. Well guys, this is the end of my video and I am loving the way this look turned out. Don't forget to come back and check my channel on Mondays and Thursdays because I post videos every Mondays and Thursdays. Well, if you've made it to the end of the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye!